Good morning from Comayagua, Honduras. The cathedral is right in front of me, and the food just I ate, it was 50. Welcome back to Reza On The Journey. Today we are exploring Comayagua, Honduras, a colorful colonial city filled with history, beautiful cathedral, local food, and friendly people. Let's discover one of the Honduras hidden gems together. Comayagua and Tegucigalpa is the same, so I was just like shocked to hear those. Now I am going inside the flight. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Here. I'm here. Now look at this huge mountain over there. I think that's the volcano mountain. It's about to take off from San Salvador. The airport. No wonder they did the airport far away. All the way up Comayagua in Honduras.
Tripulación próximos a aterrizar.
Segul mountains are there. It's landing now. Very good. Just landed Comayagua.
Hemos llegado a Palmerola, por seguridad permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad.
Comayagua. It was only less than an hour flight. No plane is here. Look at nada. I thought it was international airport. I don't see any plane. We arrived. The capital city of Honduras. Welcome to Honduras. This is my 81st country. I just entered it. So that was the arrival. Right now, I am in Honduras. Now I'm gonna go places for I'll be here 3 days. Welcome to Honduras. It is about 7 o'clock at night here in Honduras, Comayagua. You have to go through customs here. The customs are really bad because you gotta fill so many things. It takes about 20 minutes to fill that out. I'm gonna call my Uber. I'll just smoke here. You know, Uber is coming. He's coming. Oh, traffic. Dangerous place has traffic. What can I do here?
Okay. Maybe going to the cathedral.
Okay.
It's a church.
Church, yeah. It's not
church,
much to do.
Yes. Yes. You can go to El Volcán.
Oh, yeah, maybe that's what it is.
Yeah.
This is somebody's home or Airbnb type thing. On the top, that's where I'm going to stay. It is beautiful. This is there. This is Wi-Fi. Bed here. Looks beautiful. It is $40 only. Not bad. This is Comayagua. It's in Honduras. I just arrived here. I'll check it out in the morning. Right now I'm just walking in the center. This is the center. La Pizzeria. There's a pizza shop there. Comayagua. Speak a little English?
Yeah, you have to speak English, sir.
Okay. Do you have like vegetarian type?
Yes, I have a vegetarian.
I am in the center of Comayagua. Here, the little town looks like sleepy town. It has the lights all over, everything. Let me check that out. I just got here. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get some tacos and stuff. Good music. This is Manos Uruguay. They serve vegetarian. And I met a guy from Houston. He's a funny guy. He was there for all his life, and now they deported him to here. Today's dinner at Manos Uruguay. Uruguay. This is called, how does it call?
Vegetarian plate,
Vegetarian plate.
Yes.
I got myself. It is beautiful. It is like, wow. I couldn't believe I have this in Honduras. Look at this, so beautiful. I love it. Let's see what you got in there. Good morning from Comayagua, Honduras. This is one of the city you come here. It has a cultural thing in for Honduras, and I'll see what sort of cultural in Honduras has it. People are nice. Last night I had time to go ahead at dinner. I met people from one of the guys who lived in America. I had a good time talking to them. Let's wander on, look at it, see how you'll feel about Comayagua, Honduras. The colorful Comayagua right over here. Look at that beautiful letter they put welcoming people over here. Comayagua. That's how. Look at the culture of the thing. All the buildings are colorful. All the taco, the colors are really good, different. This is Bocus. The center starts here. Okay, I'll go to the park in a second. Comayagua is underrated. Hey, it is not flashy, but it feels authentic. Again, I'm saying honestly, this city is underrated. It's not flashy, but it feels authentic to me.
Buenos dias.
But it is. I am gonna walk around and show its charming, outstanding color wooden door. The pastel color, this city seems like it's a busy street, but people are going to work. But it is about 6:30 in the morning. In the front, the city name was put on the wall, and look at this color. Most of the buildings are this color. Comayagua. All colorful letters are put in there. There you go. Comayagua. And this is the center. I'll go show you center in a minute. I'm just gonna finish this one and then look at the color of those buildings. I'm here since last night. This is the city name, Comayagua. Look at, and the color of the buildings are pastel. Here, the road going through the city, and I'm gonna show you around back of this. This is the Comayagua, and beautiful little tree in the middle here. Look at this tree, small tree, looks like neem tree. Look at this. The Comayagua in the back, and this is the little city thing. I'm gonna go other side, show you more. City view from the center. And then you have this letter saying Comayagua. Look at the city behind me, the Comayagua, and then beautiful, charming, outstanding, the mural right behind me, right there. Probably a library or something. Yeah. Mural this way, and then from the back here more mural, geometric shape. Somebody in the morning working out, stretching there. Look at this beautiful pastel color shops, restaurants, bars are here. The library, and then the Comayagua right there. Colorful, vibrant, beautiful pastel color. This is street behind it, behind the center. This is the center. The kids are getting off from the, and again, look at the shops are pastel color. Beautiful, vibrant, charming color the buildings are. I'm not professional. I'm just taking this for me. Yeah, it takes a lot of patience and a lot of things to do to become professional. But I'm old right now. I can't be professional. I'm okay with my living. This is not my living. This is mine. Look at every shop. It has its own identity, own way of showing us what they meant. And I see a huge mural in front of me. This wall is a mural which I saw in the Taco, El Salvador, but this one looks like huge. One side is turquoise, another side is all the beautiful, beautiful mural. Every one of them has a meaningful thing. The tiger, waterfall. Wow, it is one of a kind. It has its own thing. Look at the eagle. I see some stuff further, so we'll just walk around. More stuff is right there. Look at the clock. It goes all the way other side. How beautiful mural. It's right there. Look at this mural. They did it here in the center. I had dinner here at Manos Uruguayan. That place. I had dinner last night. Some restaurants are here. Seems like elegant, most of the restaurants. Bawabi school is behind it, seems like. Or maybe that's the school. Also on the top. I see the kids are going there or inside. This is the school bus. Look at this school bus. The kids are going to school. This is the center street in Comayagua. Edificio Judicial de Comayagua. So this is probably the courthouse. The saying Edificio Judicial de Comayagua. So this is the authenticity, the nature of the Comayagua. They have their own identity. They made it really outstanding and different from other cities. Show you another street. Yellowish goldish building there. I'm gonna go a little bit further that way and then come back probably the other way. This is the yellow building. Let me see if they have another street there. But they probably do. It looks all different. That I can say. But I'm gonna go do another block this way. Here is the another block. This is hard to walk. I'm gonna go this way. To this. And there is a park. All Central America. The park is in the middle. Then church. Then government building. Then the market. This is not different from that. And those trees, park I go, I see that those trees are different. Because like yesterday, when I was in San Salvador, all the trees came from different countries, like Costa Rica, Honduras, Nicaragua, Guatemala, and then the El Salvador. The palace had that. It was beautiful palace really. So I'm gonna walk around this park. People are cleaning up now because I usually get up 5:30 and 6 o'clock to take my video and walk around because it is good time to walk around with everything closed, but you can see its identity, its uniqueness, find out about the places you visit. It feels more calm, more welcoming, out of the norm. Do you see all those colorful buildings? Yeah, it's authenticity. And here I'm gonna go to another. Is there Pronto Express Cafe? When you see something like this, authenticity, something like different than all places they look like, it's mind-boggling. It has meanings. It has the purpose. I try to get it out from my feeling, get it out from my knowledge. You just gotta feel it. And look at this beautiful turquoise bluish thing right in the corner. Souvenir Colonial. That. And then the street is right there. Another street, the same color and stuff. Another park is in front of it. The church is here. The newspaper guy is selling the newspaper. The souvenir is there. The beautiful park right in front of. This must be a government building. I'm gonna go through the park and see what's going on. On the left side, probably the cathedral. The park looks good. It's not one park usually. In the city they have multiple parks. All those busy life and everything. Everybody has. They're adding it in to their schedule. Sometimes you need some open space to get those out, the stress out. So people need to slow down sometimes. Rushing here is in the park, the beautiful park, government office right there, shops are right there. And then look at this, the cathedral. It is beautiful. Again, it is charming. It is one of a kind. Almost every place has, I feel like. I can copy it, but it's different. It's not all look alike. That's the uniqueness about this. It is all cities, when they made it, when they built it, they just did not copy. They just did it themselves to outstand from others. It's not copied. And most of them are, 200 to 800 years old. Cathedral and then the churches are. Back then, there is no copy machine or there is no internet or there's no something so they can get it from. They just had their own mind and they did it. Surprise, that's the reason I go town to town to see this. All this park, the middle of the city, it's less crowded right now. And there is a basilica or cathedral right there in front of it. Look at how charming. I try my best to bring that to you, to express my gratitude to this nature. Every in front of church, they have this. Even church or the mosque, they have this pigeon. I guess pigeons came from probably, I don't know much about the religious thing and stuff. I practice my own religious because we all are human beings. There is a purpose, the reason, the God, the Allah, or the whoever they they send us over here. Your environment makes you who you are. Beautiful turquoise building there. All those peasants are there. They all got together. Some people giving their food and stuff. Let's see what they have to offer. So I'm going side of the Basilica. Catedral church is next to it. Every place has this different pastel. This is the municipal Comayagua, the annex building. Little bus there. Municipal de Comayagua. Honduras Industry Postal. This is the post office. This is Satursa Administration de Rentas. I'm gonna go this street first and then come back. Many restaurants are here, and every restaurant has different color. Bella Vista, colorful. Okay. This is one of the park. The church is behind it. Pastel colors. All the shops. The Green Street. There is the cafe in the corner. Sometimes I forget I'm not in the picture or video. That's why I'm taking it now. It is the park. It is the beautiful street with the pastel and yellowish, goldish color of things. Right corner is a cafe. The other side of that other street. The colorful, vibrant, calm city. We are on one of those bigger park in Comayagua. The shops around there. The park looks big. It is charming, and there's a cathedral right behind it. It is beautiful for a small city in Honduras. Look at the peasants, it's right here. The peasants are right there. Many peasants are here. There's a church, beautiful building next to the church. The colorful, another building right there. Then come to a park. The other colorful buildings are around. There, this is the park, and then there is a monument here. More buildings are behind it, but still look at that tiles I talked about, clay tiles, the benches, and the same trees in the park. Beautiful, colorful, charming buildings right there. All sides same. There's a monument here, a church right over there. They're teaching the kids. This is the, I just heard this little kids are in this class. Museo Casa Cabana. So there's a museum here. I see there is something over there. Another street, another color, another vibrant life here. They're taking kids to the school. Coffee and cakes. Honduras has good coffee too. I haven't tried yet. I'll try it soon. Have not had my breakfast. More colorful buildings are here. Let's get the little traffic jam here. I went many churches inside. They all look gorgeous. It all has its own identity. It has own beautifulness. I'm gonna go back to the center. I see more busy street over there. Still colorful, and from here you can see the mountain and the church is right side of me. Now I'll stay here. This is the church. Seems like they're gonna open soon. Gracias. This side of the Comayagua, this is still like another, like go to the center on this street. Nail Saloon. I am back to Comayagua after 7,000 steps. I'm gonna try to have my coffee, which I deserve. They're making. Here is the door she made. She brought my coffee. Gracias. This is black coffee right there. Vivian. It tastes so good. Just the tortilla and beans. This is like tortilla, beans and cheese. It's like quesadilla, but everything fresh. George, the governor is he talking about?
The road.
Roads, okay. Yeah, that's what I thought, they're talking about the president, governor. Look at how she's making dough, all those doughs there. I think which is like...
Comayagua was one of the most pleasant surprise of my Central America trip. Beautiful, colorful, peaceful, and full of friendly people. Thank you for traveling with me today. Next stop, Lake Iwauha, Honduras. Until then, remember, this is not just a journey. This is Reza on the Journey.